1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 1 by c square in terms of p comma q comma r, in terms of p comma q comma r. After that, the next one is find the sum of the squares of and the sum of the cubes of the root, the sum of the cubes of the roots of the equation x cube minus px square plus qx minus r equal to 0 in terms of p comma q and r, in terms of p comma q and r. Well, observe. First, now I will discuss the first one. What is the given equation? Given equation is x cube minus px square plus qx minus r. That is, I will write 1 into x cube plus of minus p into x square plus qx plus of minus r equal to 0. Okay. Given cubic polynomial can compare with ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. By the problem, a comma b comma c are the roots of a given equation. I will take given roots are a comma b comma c. Given roots is a comma b comma c. Will observe. Given polynomial is a cubic polynomial. Given polynomial is a cubic polynomial. That I will write alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Will write. So given roots alpha with a, beta with b, gamma with c. That is, I will write a plus b plus c is equal to minus b will become minus p. Minus p by 1 is equal to p. Will write. After that, the second condition is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a. Will write. Here the given c value is q. And also will write alpha with a. That is, I will write ab plus bc plus ca is equal to q by 1. That is, the given value is q. After, we'll take the third one is alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. Then that implies alpha beta gamma, that I will substitute abc is equal to minus of minus r by 1. That is, the given value is r. By the problem, we'll find what we'll find in this one. That is, I will find 1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 1 by c square. By using the cross multiplication, okay, given one can be written as b square c square plus a square c square plus a square b square by their denominator is a square b square c square. Given one can be written as ab whole square plus bc whole square plus ca whole square by their denominator, that must be written as abc whole square. Will write. Given one, when it is of the form a square plus b square plus c square, a square plus b square plus c square, that must be written as a plus b plus c whole square. That is ab plus bc plus ca whole square minus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca, where given ab is given one can be written as ab plus bc plus ca whole square minus 2 into where a is ab, b is bc, after that b is bc into ca, after that ca into ab by their denominator is ABC whole square will write. That is the given value is AB plus BC plus CA whole square minus I will common 2ABC. Remaining will write A plus B plus C into their denominator is ABC whole square will write. ABC whole square will write. We know the value of AB plus BC plus CA, that is the given value is Q. That is I will write Q square minus 2 into R into A plus B plus C will become P by their denominator is R whole square. Given one that must be written as Q square minus 2PR by R square. Q square minus 2PR by R square will write. This is for fifth one. Later now I will explain sixth one. Here also will write their given equation, that is 1 into x cube plus of minus p into x square plus q into x plus of minus r will become 0. Given one can compare with ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. We'll observe. By the problem, we'll find the sum of cubes of the sum of squares and the sum of cubes of the roots. The sum of cubes of the root. Okay, given polynomial is a cubic polynomial means I will take 3 roots. The given roots are alpha, gamma, beta, gamma, gamma. First, we'll write their first condition. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a is equal to minus b minus p by 1 is nothing but p. After now I am going to second one, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is c by a will write. Where given c is q, a is 1, q by 1 is q will write. After that, third one is alpha beta gamma is equal to minus c by a minus of minus r by 1 will become r. We know the values, 3 values. First we'll find the sum of the square. First we'll find the sum of the square. The sum of the square. The sum of the squares means we'll take actually given formula is okay. Given roots are alpha, beta, and gamma. Their sum means we'll write alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. Given one must be written as alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square minus 2 into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha will write. Okay, we know the value alpha plus beta plus gamma is p, that is I will write p square minus 2 into given value is q, that is the value p square minus 2q, p square minus 2q. Later now I will explain the sum of cubes of the roots, the sum of cubes of the root. We'll find the sum of the cubes of the root, the sum of squares of the roots, the sum of squares of the roots will find. We'll observe. That is what we'll write. Here I will write alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube. Gamma cube is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma into, we know one formula. First we will write their given formula, that is nothing but first we will write their formula, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to, I will write a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca will write. Observe, a will substitute alpha, b will substitute beta, c will substitute gamma. This value will become that side, that is I will write alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma into alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square minus alpha beta minus beta gamma minus gamma alpha plus 3 alpha beta gamma will write 3 alpha beta gamma right. Again we'll expand this one. Alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square minus 2 alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. That is, I will write alpha plus beta plus gamma into remaining will written as alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square minus 3 into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha plus 3 alpha beta gamma will write. We will substitute their values where alpha plus beta plus gamma is p, that is p into p square minus 3q, p square minus 3q. Later we'll write plus 3r will write. Again we will multiply in this one, that is I will write p cube minus 3p cube plus 3r will write. After now I will explain next one. Obtain the monic cubic equation, monic cubic equation, uh, monic cubic equation whose roots are whose roots are whose roots are the squares of the roots of the equation, squares of the roots of the equation x cube plus p1 x square plus p2 x plus p3 is equal to 0. We will observe in this problem, this type of problems are most important. What I am asking in this given one, obtain the monic cubic equation. Monic cubic equation means the degree of a given polynomial is 3. The degree of a given polynomial is 3, whose roots are the squares of the roots of the equation. Squares of the roots of the equation. First, we take let small a comma b comma c are the roots of x cube plus P1 x square plus P2 x plus P3 is equal to 0. We will observe the degree of given polynomial is 3 and okay, we know the values P1, P2 and P3. What will write? That is, I will write that P1 is equal to A plus B plus C will take. After that, P2 is equal to AB plus BC plus CA will take. CA will take. After that, P3 is equal to ABC will take. P3 is equal to ABC will take. P3 is equal to ABC will take. That means what we'll write in this given one? By the problem, we will find the squares of the roots of the equation. The squares of the roots of the equation. Okay. First, we'll observe what is the given equation here. Here the given equation is x cube plus p1 x square plus p2 x plus p3 is equal to 0. p3 is equal to 0. Here given roots are okay, a plus b plus c. That is what will write. Here I will write a comma b comma c are the roots of given equation. Means first I will write given equation that must be written as 1 into x cube plus p1 into x square plus p2 into x plus p3 is equal to 0. Okay, here I'm sorry, given one. Here we'll take 1 into x cube. Given one can compare with ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. Already we know the roots alpha is equal to a, beta is equal to b, gamma is equal to c. First we'll write alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Then that implies where alpha means a, beta means b, gamma means c means a plus b plus c is equal to minus p1 by 1 is equal to minus p1 will take. After the given second condition is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a. Alpha gamma beta gamma gamma will take a gamma b gamma c. That is, I will write ab plus bc plus ca is equal to, I will write what about the value of c? Where given c is p2 by 1 is equal to p2 will take. After now I am going to third one. That is, the given third one is alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. That is, I will write a b c is equal to minus p3 by 1. This is nothing but minus p3. We know the value. We know these three values. By the problem, what we'll find? Whose roots are the squares of the roots of the equation. The squares of the roots of equation. Okay, that is, I will write let a square comma b square comma c square are the roots of a square comma b square comma c square are the roots of x cube plus s1 x square plus s2 x plus s3 is equal to 0. We get what will write in this given one? That is, I will write x cube plus s1 x square plus s2 x plus s3 is equal to, the given roots are x minus a square into x minus b square into x minus c square will write. X minus c square will write. We have to expand in this one. That is, I will write x into x will become x cube minus a square plus b square plus c square into x square. After that we'll write a square b square plus b square c square plus c square a square into x. Finally we'll write a square b square c square. We know when given one it is of the form x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma. That is, I will write x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square. After I will write alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma will write. Alpha beta gamma will write. Okay, first we'll find this value. First we'll find a square plus b square plus c square. First we'll find a square plus b square plus c square. Already we know this formula. A square plus b square plus c square, that must be written as a plus b plus c whole square minus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca will write. That is a plus b plus c is nothing but what about the value? Minus p1 whole square minus 2 into p2 will write. That is the given value is p square minus 2p2. p1 square minus 2p2. After we'll find the second one, that is a square b square plus b square c square plus c square a square is equal to, given one can be written as ab plus bc plus ca whole square minus 2abc into a plus b plus c will write. We know all the values. We'll substituting in this given equation. What about the value of AB plus BC plus CA? AB plus BC plus CA is P2. That is, I will write P2 square minus 2 into. What about the value of ABC? ABC is minus P3 into. A plus B plus C is minus P1 will write. We'll observe minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus will write. That is the given value is P2 square minus 2P1 P3. 2P1 P3. Later we'll find the third one, that is nothing but A square B square C square is equal to, given one can be written as ABC whole square. Here ABC is nothing but minus P3 minus P3 whole square is equal to P3 square will write. We have to substitute in these three values in given equation. That is what will write. Okay, that is I will write. Okay, given one can is equal to 0 will take. That is I will write x cube minus a square plus b square plus c square is nothing but p1 square minus 2p2 into x square plus. Okay, after we'll substitute the value a square b square plus b square c square plus c square a square is. What about the value here? Here the given value is p2 square minus 2p1 p3 into x minus, where the what about the value of a square b square c square? Given a square b square c square value is p3 square is equal to 0. This is the given required cubic equation will formed. Will formed. After now I will discuss the next one. What I am asking, this type of problems most important for 2 marks will be asking in public examination. After now I will explain example 1. That is, let alpha gamma beta gamma gamma be the roots of x cube plus px square plus qx plus r equal to 0. Then find here the first one is summation alpha square. Second one is summation 1 by alpha. Here one condition is if alpha gamma beta gamma gamma are non-zeros, After that, third one is summation alpha cube. Fourth one is summation beta square gamma square. Fifth one is alpha plus beta into beta plus gamma into gamma plus alpha. By the problem, what I am asking, let alpha comma beta comma gamma be the roots of given one can be written as 1 into x cube plus p into x square plus q into x plus r will become 0. That is, given one can compare with ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. We know the values of a, b, c and d. First we'll write their first condition is alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a. That is minus b by 1 is equal to minus b. After we'll write their second condition, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to c by a. So what about the value of c here? Let c is q, q by 1 is equal to q. After we'll write their third condition is alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. That is, I will write minus r by 1 is equal to minus r. We'll observe. First we'll find summation alpha square. First we'll find summation alpha square. We'll observe. Summation alpha square అనే వాల్యూ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఇచ్చిన దాన్ని ఎన్ని టర్మ్స్ ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేయాలి అనే డౌట్ మీకు రావాలి. అయితేనన్నా సమ్మేషన్ ఆల్ఫా స్క్వేర్ అని ఇచ్చాడు. అయితే బై ద ప్రాబ్లం వాట్ అబౌట్ రూట్స్ హియర్? Here the given roots are alpha, comma, beta and gamma. That means we have to expand in this alpha square with three terms. Okay, some problems will give alpha and beta only. Some problems will give alpha and beta. For example, alpha and beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are given. In this type, we will write summation alpha square is nothing but alpha square plus beta square only. Why? Because of it has only two roots there. But we will take a cubic equation. Cubic equation have roots alpha, comma, beta and gamma. Okay, given one, the cubic equation is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. Okay, in this type of situation, it has three zeros will appear. Means here summation alpha square must be written as alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square will write. Okay, by the problem, then the number of zeros will given, that we have to expand then that number of terms. We'll observe. Here in this problem, we'll find summation alpha square. Here given roots are three zeros will there. Three zeros there means given term will expand three terms. That is, I will write alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square will write. We know one formula, that is, I will write this one. That is, the given formula is a square plus b square plus c square is equal to a plus b plus c whole square minus 2 of ab plus bc plus ca will write. Again, given one also, that is, I will write alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square minus 2 into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha will write. So what about the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma? Here alpha plus beta plus gamma is nothing but minus p. That is I will write minus p whole square minus 2 into q. This is nothing but p square minus 2q will write. Given value is summation alpha square. Summation alpha square. After we will find the second one. Second one is summation 1 by alpha. Summation 1 by alpha also with expanding, that is I will write 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma will write. Here the given denominator is alpha, beta, gamma. In this denominator alpha there, remaining will write beta, gamma. Here the denominator beta there, remaining will write alpha, gamma. And here gamma there, remaining will write alpha, beta. Okay, we will write the order of given one, that is nothing but alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha by alpha beta gamma will write. We will observe what about the value of alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, that is the given value is q, there alpha beta gamma value is minus r, finally we will write minus q by r. This is the value of summation 1 by alpha. Summation 1 by alpha. Find the value is summation alpha cube. Summation alpha cube. After we'll find the third one is summation alpha cube. We have to expand summation alpha cube is nothing but alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube will write. Already we know one formula, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, that must be written as a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca will write. After that minus 3abc will become this side, that is I will write plus 3abc. We don't know this value. By the problem we know the value a plus b plus c. Okay, alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. After that alpha beta gamma. We don't know the value alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. Again, this one also we will expand it. That is I will write a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c into remaining I will write a plus b plus c whole square minus 3 of ab plus bc plus ca. After minus 3abc will become this side, that is the given value is plus 3abc will write. Okay, a will substitute with alpha, b will substitute with beta, c will substitute with gamma, that is I will write alpha plus beta plus gamma into alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square minus 3 into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha plus 3 alpha beta gamma will write. We'll substitute their values, where alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus p into minus p whole square minus 3 into, what about the value of given one? Given one is q there. After we'll write plus 3 into minus r. That is, we'll explain minus p into p square minus 3q minus 3r. That is, the given value is minus pq plus 3pq minus 3r will write. By using the order, that is, I will write 3pq minus pq minus 3r. This is the given value is summation alpha cube. Summation alpha cube. Okay, Nana? After, now we will find the value is summation beta square gamma square. Summation beta square gamma square. We have to expand in this one. That is, I will write beta square gamma square plus gamma square alpha square plus alpha square beta square will write. By using the order of given one, that is, I will write alpha beta whole square plus beta gamma whole square plus gamma alpha whole square. Okay, given one can be expanded. That is, I will write alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha whole square minus 2 into alpha beta gamma into alpha plus beta plus gamma will write. You substitute their values. Their alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is q. That is, I will write q square minus 2 into, what about the value of alpha beta gamma? That is, the given value is minus r. After we will write minus p. Minus into minus plus. After plus into minus is minus. That is, I will write q square minus 2pr. This is the value of summation beta square gamma square. Summation beta square gamma square. Explain the last one. That is what we find. That is, here the fifth one is alpha plus beta into beta plus gamma into gamma plus alpha will find. Gamma plus alpha will find. Okay, we know the first condition. What is given? That is, the first condition is alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus p is given. Then that implies given one can be written as alpha plus beta equal to minus p minus gamma. After that, beta plus gamma is equal to minus p minus alpha. After that, gamma plus alpha equal to minus p minus beta will write. That is, the given value is minus p minus gamma into minus p minus alpha into minus p minus beta will write. I will common minus, that is minus of p plus alpha into, minus of p plus gamma into minus of p plus alpha into minus of p plus beta will write. We will observe minus into minus is plus, plus into minus will become minus. That is, the given value is minus of p plus alpha into p plus beta into p plus gamma will write. Again, we'll expanded this one. That is, I will write minus of pq plus alpha plus beta plus gamma into p square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into p. Later I will write alpha beta gamma. We'll substitute their values. That is, the given value is minus of pq plus, where alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus p into p square. After we'll write here the given value is q into p. Finally we'll write their given value is minus r. That is, I will write minus of p cube minus p cube plus p cube minus r. Okay, plus p cube and minus p cube will write plus into minus minus. After minus into minus is plus. That is, I will write r minus p cube. R minus PQ. Okay, Nana. After now, I will discuss next one. That is, if alpha comma beta comma gamma are the roots of x cube plus px square plus qx plus r equal to 0, then form the monic cubic equation, whose roots are alpha into beta plus gamma, beta into gamma plus alpha, gamma into alpha plus beta. This is most important and difficult problem. Okay, what is given in this problem? If alpha gamma beta gamma are the roots of x cube plus px square plus qx plus r equal to 0. Yes, alpha gamma beta gamma are the roots of given one. But first we'll write alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to given one can compare with 1 into x cube, a into x cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. That is, I will write minus b by a, that is minus p by 1 is equal to minus p. After we'll write their second condition, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a, that is q by 1 is equal to q. Later, the third one is alpha beta gamma equal to minus d by a, that is minus r by 1 is equal to minus r. Okay, but by the problem, what will find? Alpha into beta plus gamma. I will take that one. but okay, alpha into beta plus gamma, comma, beta into gamma plus alpha, comma, gamma into alpha plus beta be the roots of a cubic equation. Cubic equation is, first we'll write S1 is equal to summation of, first one will take, that is summation of alpha into beta plus gamma will take. After we'll find S2 is equal to summation of, here the first one is alpha into beta plus gamma into beta into gamma plus alpha will write, that is the given value is summation alpha beta into beta plus gamma into gamma plus alpha will write. Finally, third one is S3 is equal to, S3 is equal to, I will write, okay, by using their product of zeros, no need to use their summation value. That is, I will write alpha, beta, gamma into, first one is beta plus gamma, second one is gamma plus alpha, third one is alpha plus beta. Okay, but here we'll write, that is, so S1 comma S2 comma S3 are the roots of a cubic equation is, that is, I will write x cube minus s1 x square plus s2 x minus s3 is equal to 0. This is make equation number 1. First we will find their values. First we will find s1, that is s1 is equal to, what about the value here? Summation alpha into beta plus gamma is given, that is, I will write summation alpha into beta is alpha beta plus alpha into gamma is alpha gamma. Okay, given one, that is, I will write summation alpha beta plus summation alpha gamma will write. Will observe ఈ టర్మ్ ని ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేస్తానన్నా ఆల్ఫా బీటా తర్వాత ఏమొస్తుందంటే బీటా గామా తర్వాత ఏమొస్తుందంటే గామా ఆల్ఫా, యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ దీన్ని కూడా ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేస్తే గామా ఆల్ఫా బీటా గామా వస్తుంది. కాబట్టి here I will write gamma alpha is equal to alpha beta will write, that is the given value is summation alpha beta plus summation alpha beta is nothing but 2 into summation alpha beta. We have to expand in this one, 2 into summation alpha beta means alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha will write, that is the given value is q. This is the value of S1. After we will find S2. S2 is, what about the value? Summation alpha beta into beta plus gamma into gamma plus alpha will write. By using the first condition is alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus p. That means beta plus gamma will write, minus p minus alpha. After gamma plus alpha will write minus p minus beta. I will common minus, again I will common minus into minus is plus, that is I will write summation alpha beta into p plus alpha into p plus beta will write, p plus alpha into p plus beta will write. Again we'll expand this one, that is I will write summation alpha beta into p square plus alpha plus beta into p plus alpha beta will write, plus alpha beta will write. We know the value of alpha plus beta, that is nothing but p minus gamma will write, p minus gamma will write, p minus gamma will write, that is nothing but summation alpha beta into p square minus p plus gamma into p plus alpha beta will write. Again we have to expand in this one, that is I will write summation alpha beta into p square minus p square minus p gamma plus alpha beta will write. Alpha beta will write. Both will cancel. Remaining we have to multiply in this one, that is I will write summation minus p alpha beta gamma. After we will write alpha plus beta into alpha plus beta is alpha plus beta whole square will write. Constant will write first, that is I will write minus p into summation alpha beta gamma plus summation alpha beta whole square will write. Okay, given term has okay, given equation has three zeros means will extend three terms, that is I will write minus p into alpha beta gamma plus alpha beta gamma plus alpha beta gamma is minus 3 alpha beta gamma. Remaining we have to write in this one, that is I will write alpha beta whole square plus beta gamma whole square plus gamma alpha whole square will write. Again we will expand in this one, that is I will write minus p into where 3 into alpha beta gamma is nothing but minus r. Remaining will write alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha whole square minus 2 alpha beta gamma into alpha plus beta plus gamma will write. Okay, we have to extend in this one, that is the given value is 3pr plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is q square minus 2 into alpha beta gamma is minus r into alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus c. That is minus into minus will become plus, plus into minus is minus. That is I will write 3pr plus q square minus into minus will become plus, plus into minus is minus. That is the value 2pr. This is the value of S2. This is the value of S2. After we will find the value is S3. After we will find the value is S3. That is S3 is equal to what will write alpha beta gamma into alpha plus beta into beta plus gamma into gamma plus alpha will write, where alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to what about the value minus p into remaining will write minus of p plus gamma. After will write minus of p plus alpha minus of p plus alpha. Again will write minus of p plus beta will write minus into minus plus, plus into minus is minus, again minus into minus is plus, into remaining will write pq plus alpha plus beta plus gamma into p square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into p plus alpha beta gamma will write. Will substitute their values, that is p into pq plus, where alpha plus beta plus gamma is nothing but minus t into p square. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is q. That is I will write q into p plus, after will write alpha beta gamma is equal to minus r will write. That is p into pq minus pq plus pq minus r will write, both will cancel. Remaining will write p into p is p into pq minus r will write. This is the value of S3. Finally, we will form this equation. After now I am going to from 1. After now I am going to from 1. This is the from 1 equation. That is I will write x cube minus given S1 value is 2q. That is 2q into x square. After that, what about the value of S2 here? 3pr plus q square. Okay, 3pr minus 2pr is nothing but PR plus Q square will write. PR plus Q square will write. Here also given one can be written as PR plus Q square into X. After that, then the symbol is minus. Remaining will write P into PQ minus R is equal to 0. This is the given equation.